What's up guys? Take a journey with me. Would you buy a 2007 Honda Civic with over 233,000 miles for $1,500 and the vehicle needs repair to be done? I needed a daily driver and I took a risk with this one. I will take you through the entire process of purchasing this car, and at the end of the video, I will list all the repairs that needed to be done to get it driving at its best. I will make separate videos showing the repairs in detail. This video will be showing how I got the car and the repairs that needed to be done to get it running really well. So I found this 2007 Honda Civic on Facebook Market. The seller posted a sale price of $1,800 and noted that it has a misfire and can't drive. That sounded good to me because I knew Honda Civic is a really good vehicle and is known to have misfire issues due to bad coils. Because of these known facts, I decided to take a risk with this one. I offered the seller $1,500 and he accepted in seconds, which made it seem that I could have offered $1,000 and he would have accepted. Anyways, to transport this vehicle to my house, I went to U-Haul to rent a car tow trailer. This guy hooked it up and I went on my way. I had a 91-mile drive to the seller's house and the maximum speed this trailer is rated at is 55 miles per hour. So I took my time on the long journey. Buying a car that needs work makes sense if you plan to do the work yourself. It might not be worth it if you can't do the work yourself. It would also be a good idea to avoid high mileage vehicle with engine or transmission issues. Having an OBD2 scanner to check for codes might be very important because some fault codes could indicate a problem that might be too expensive to repair. I am heading to a very suburban area. Finally, I have arrived and you can see the long driveway. There it is sitting right there. I'll first do a body inspection. Now, looking for damages, especially from an accident. I can see a crack at the front bumper right here. A repair was done here on the rear bumper. There is rust on both sides of the rear wheel liners. The tires are in very good shape, and I have not seen much rust under the car. That's it for the exterior. The engine oil looks very clean. It seems it was changed recently. I checked the transmission oil after the engine was at operating temperature and the oil level was correct. Let's start the car. The car started very well, but you can hear it is running very rough. It's misfiring really bad, and you can hear how rough the engine is. The engine revs, but it has very little power. When I tried to drive, I noticed that it wasn't getting enough power. I didn't think it was a transmission because the engine has a misfiring issue. You can see how much the tailpipe is shaking. That's sign of misfire. The hose lines look good. It's now time to do a scan for the check engine light. I brought my OBD2 scanner, but couldn't check for the codes because this scanner was not capable with iPhones. I recently switched from Android to iPhone and I didn't notice that. I'm confident that this won't show serious problems when I get to scan the codes. Let's do this deal. The owner wrote down the miles of 333,410 miles on the back of the title and we both signed. I gave him $1,500 cash and the deal was done. It's time to hook this up to the trailer to take this home. I need to extend the ramp and then extend the straps. Then place the straps to the side of the wheel here. Now I'm on. Now I need to strap the wheels. I need to ensure the wheels are properly held by the straps and tighten them. Now I need to secure the steering wheel and be on my way. It's time to drive 91 miles back home. Now I'm home. And I couldn't get enough power from the engine to get the car off the trailer. I didn't have another vehicle to pull it off, so I had to detach the SUV from the trailer to use it to pull the Civic off the ramp. I needed my sister in the Civic to control it while I used the SUV to pull the Civic off the ramp. The vehicle is finally off and it looked a bit scary, but it wasn't that bad. Now I'm about to return the trailer to U-Haul. Now, for all the repairs needed to have this 2007 Honda Civic running properly, the first thing I did was to use the OBD2 scanner to scan for check engine light codes. The codes seen here are relating to misfire, oxygen sensor, and the evap system. So the repairs involve replacing the ignition coils, and the genuine coils cost $72. Next was to replace the upstream oxygen sensor with a genuine one that cost $170. Next was to replace the charcoal canister under the vehicle, and I picked up a used genuine one from a junkyard that cost $35. And finally replacing the front wheel bearings, and I bought genuine bearings at a cost of $110. So this project cost me $1,887, plus the time I spent installing the parts. I will be uploading the detailed repair videos soon, so look out for those. I will also upload videos for minor repairs done, which were not required to have the vehicle running real well. That's it for now. Thanks for watching and keep an eye out for those videos. But before you go, do something for me. Hit the like button because it's very important for the algorithm. See you on the next one, guys.